is called call by address, and this is the second one, and the third one is function definition. So here what we have to do is we have to write int example. I'm writing int a comma int b. Okay, and here you have to write statement. So this is function definition. Okay. So what I will do is I will write the program for both call by value and call by reference, and then we will see both the programs. Okay. First we will write the call by value program, then we will go for call by reference. Chepandamma. So if you're having any problem, okay. You can ask me, no problem, after completing this class. Okay. After completing this class, you can ask me, no problem. So first hash include stdio.h void main void main. Now what we have to do is first I will write the program for function uh, adding two numbers by using call by value and then call by reference. First statement is function declaration, and I'm declaring two variables 10 comma 20 comma c. Okay. So see here, I'm having two values, one is a and second one is b. So if I'm having the values, can I call that function is, yes, we can call that function, that is c is equal to add of a comma b. Then I will display c value by using printf c is equal to percentage d. So here this statement is called function declaration, and the statement is called function calling. So whether it is call by value or call by reference, call by value or,
Call by value.
so it is call by value. So now what we have to do is we have to write the function definition. We have to write the function definition now. Okay, that is int add of a comma int b. Here you can take ab or you can take some other variables, no problem. But the main important thing here is, here arguments are integer type. Here also arguments must be integer type only. But variable names may be vary. Okay, but I'm taking same variables, that is int c, and then c is equal to a plus b. Okay, and then I will write a return statement. Return. Okay. So let me execute this one first. So it is displaying c value is 30. Okay. So this is call by value. So we'll take the same example to demonstrate the call by reference also. we'll take the same type of example. So I will rewrite the program. So instead of performing modifications to it, so as usual, we have to start with include statement, hash include stdio.h. Okay, so now I'm writing void main. Function definition can be write inside the main or you can write outside the main like structure. Okay, no necessity that we have to మనము కంపల్సరీ ఏం కాదమ్మా మెయిన్ లోపలే రాయాలని ఏం లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫంక్షన్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, బట్ జనరల్లీ మనం ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఏం ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము అంటే లోపలే మెయిన్ లోపలే రాస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఫంక్షన్ యాడ్ ఆఫ్. ఇక్కడ కాల్ బై వాల్యూ అంటున్నాం కదా, కాల్ బై వాల్యూ అంటున్నప్పుడు అది కాల్ బై రిఫరెన్స్ అన్నప్పుడు అడ్రస్లు పాస్ చేస్తాం. అడ్రస్లు పాస్ చేసినప్పుడు వాటిని హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి అంటే మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా మనకి పాయింటర్ వేరియబుల్స్ అవసరం అవుతాయి. Okay, so now you can, I think you understand why I'm declaring int star a comma int star b. ఎందుకు అని అంటే మనము రిఫరెన్స్ పాస్ చేస్తున్నాము, అడ్రస్ పాస్ చేస్తున్నాము. అడ్రస్ ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలంటే మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా మన దగ్గర పాయింటర్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్, వన్ ఈజ్ a and which is equal to 10, second one is b 20. Okay, I will call that function. For that one I will require another variable called c. So c is equal to add of address of a comma address of b. C is equal to add of address of a comma address of b. Then I will display the value printf. C is equal to percentage d comma. Okay, now I'll write the function definition, that is int add of int star a comma int star b. Okay. So directly I'm writing return statement, return star a plus b. Okay, instead of 10 and 20 I will take 10 and 30. We'll execute this program. So c is equal to 40. So this is our output. So here the main two things what you have to understand is function declaration. In function declaration we have to use pointer variables since we are passing the addresses, and I'm passing here addresses of A and B. Either you can directly pass address of A and address of B, or what we can do is we can create two pointer variables. One is star P and second one is star Q. Okay, and then we can write P is equal to address of A, and then we can write Q is equal to address of B, and then instead of passing A comma B, address of A comma address of B, we can pass P comma Q also. This is also correct, but instead of declaring extra variables here P Q and storing the values, okay, so I'm passing directly address of A and address of B. So here also you're getting the same answer. Okay. This is nothing but call by reference. for next program. Okay, so this may not be completed within 5 to 10 minutes. It will take some amount of time. So what we'll do is we'll close it here. So tomorrow we'll meet at you. Meet again. We will meet it